Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my Saturday morning mix with Jill Norwood. This is episode number 29 for me, and I know I'm a day late. I was really busy this week preparing for Thanksgiving because I had family issues, and at the last minute I had to prepare Thanksgiving for me and my husband. So guys, I just thank y'all for coming by and checking out what I made for this week. So I'm gonna share what I used and then share what I made. So first I used some acrylic paints, and this is from Prima, and it's the Art Alchemy Opal Magic acrylic paint, and this one's the cotton candy ones, and I used the pink and the blue. Then I used the Distress Crackle Paint Clear Rock Candy. I used this ginger glitter that I have, and I've had it for a really long time, so I'm not sure where I got it from. I want to say Michael's, but honestly, I don't recall. Then I used the Dollar Tree snowflakes. And I used some of the Dollar Tree gingerbread wood pieces. Okay, I used some paper from the Tonic Studios Autumn Maple, the pearlescent cardstock. I used some of the brown. It's called Rusted Crimson. I used some felt from Target. It's called Shimmer Shindig Felt Stack, and I used the pink and the white, and they're really pretty, as you can tell by the blue. And they don't really, well, they kind of do shed a little bit. And they're, since I used really intricate dies, they were hard to cut through, so I had to use my precision base plate. I used this, what brand is this? It's Prima, but it's from the Christmas Sparkle trims. I use this iridescent white one, and it comes twined with 3 pieces, and I had to untwine it, and I just used one piece when I untwisted it. And then I used this 3D Impresslit, and it's called Medallion, and I used the smaller ones. I then used this Thinlit by Tim Holtz. It's a snowflake, and it's called Flurry number 2. I used another snowflake by Tim Holtz, and this one is called Flurry number 1, and these are so pretty. And then I used some bells, and I used these rose gold ones, and I got these from Spellbinders, in case you're interested in that. And I believe that's everything I used. So let me show you what I made. So I made some ornaments. So this is what the first one I did, and the one in the pink. And I think it turned out really cute. And I used hot glue to get everything down. And here's the back, and that's where I put the medallion. I wanted something pretty on the back because on the front I had to use hot glue. And I thought this looked really cute, and it was like the same color as the ginger. So I love how that one turned out. And this one is my favorite. So here is the blue one, and I used the pink felt, and then I used that ginger, what do you call it? Glitter. And I tied on the trim, and I put the bell on, and then here's the back. And I think they turned out so stinking cute. And I'll probably send them out in Happy Mail. And that's what I made this week. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching, and I love you guys. I hope y'all had a very happy Thanksgiving, and I hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank you. Bye-bye.